What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Just doing another update on the channel because I figured why the heck not. Your boy been up and moving around, feeling pretty good today. So as you can see right there, got some of those PRV speakers mounted in those custom speaker pods. And y'all know how it goes, man. Anytime you put a system together, you start doing stuff yourself and all of that, man, you kind of run into a snag. So even with me doing as much research as I do, getting these huge ass PRV tweeters, super tweeters, they don't fit. So this thing is way too big, and I'm not figuring to do any trimming as far as opening that hole up a little bit more. As far as right here, that's for a 3.5 inch. Supposedly this is a 4 inch, but the cutout and all that type of stuff, I don't know if it's accurate or not, but no matter what, it's not fitting where I need it to go. So I got some other super tweeters on the way. Got to figure out what I'm gonna do with these as far as where I'm gonna mount them. But you know, got the tweeters, got the amp for them, so I'm definitely gonna use them. Just got to figure out where I'm gonna put them. But moving along, the reason for this video here is because of this package. Of course, y'all know I cut it open and it's already coming out. So instead of going on my whole little rant, let's just go ahead and open this up. If we can get that out of there. All right, boom. So y'all see right there, whoa. So back there that you just heard drop is the other speaker pod. Yeah, so got those mounted in too, but like I said, the reason for this video is this down here. As far as this Sky High car audio, I think it's 12 gauge, I want to say. Let me see here. Yeah, OFC 12 gauge, probably not. Let's see if the camera can pick up on it. All right, yeah, so there she is. So I believe this is 50 feet of the Sky High car audio OFC 12 gauge. Now, I think just in the last video I said I'm not on the red and black type of wire type of color scheme. That's why I went ahead and got these here as far as these GP car audios. Red and blue heat shrink, and then the red, white, and blue Tech Flex for my wires. Now, when it comes to the speaker wires, I'm not tripping about the red and black deal because most of that'll be hidden in the first place. And number two, it's not that big of a deal as far as the speaker wire. So couldn't really find, hey, let me do a red and blue, red and white, anything like that. Yeah, I mean, maybe you can find it. I couldn't. I didn't feel like putting all that effort in, man. As far as I know, like I've said in previous videos, Sky High has always been a part of my build. This will be no different. So Sky High car audio wire is going in this one as well. So like I said, I believe this is 50 feet of the 12 gauge OFC wire, which will be going into that to get these PRV speakers up and rolling. And then, like I said, the other super tweeters, when I get those in, I'll go ahead and finish the pods and get those going. As far as, like, you know, taking the panels out the car, doing all the cutting and mounting and whatnot. But figured, like I said, I have some time, might as well go ahead and get those in there. So y'all see the speakers are mounted. Now, moving back to this, we also have the RCAs. Normally, I'm the type of guy, years prior, last year, let's see, we did the Sky High car audio premium cable. The years prior to that, we did the Stinger 8000 series, which is premium cable. Due to the fact that I'm doing a budget build, I figured I'll go ahead and just get their quote-unquote entry-level stuff. I've ran these RCAs before as far as with Sky High, man. Never had any problems or anything like that from them. This is actually their 6th channel. So hopefully, let's see. I got that PRV amp right there. I got the Banda amp back over there. So this, I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about that, y'all. This is 6th channel, so it'll go into that. Even though, like I said, I mean, these are mono amps. So I don't know, man. We're going to figure that out, man. I got, let's see, the Banda amp, the PRV amp right now. We got that Sundown SFB 8K for the subs. Still trying to figure out if I'm going to go another PRV amp for the mids and highs, or go with another Sundown SFB for the mids and highs. So we'll figure that out at a later date and time. But like I said, man, I really been meaning to get down with that pen and that pad, man. There's just so much stuff is coming. I mean, every day is something comes up, and like I said, I took that COVID vaccine, so kind of been out of it. Feeling pretty good today. Hella sweaty. I don't know why, but it is what it is. But at least I'm not, you know, just 24/7 asleep, man. So I'm up and running. Like I said, obviously you can see I got the speakers mounted. I got to figure out where to put these, because y'all know it's not just this one. I got another one up over there. So I got to figure out where to put those big jokers, man. But yeah, like I said, just doing an update for the channel. Got all of this wire here. Got these RCAs. Looks like they put something in here. Well, she's sexy. Camera just ain't gonna focus on it. Maybe it shouldn't. I guess this is a Slamology flyer here. Sky High must be sponsoring or somehow involved in that, man. But like I said, that's a sexy little piece right there. Let me put that back over there. All right, so like I said, man, just doing a little update for the channel. Yes, I did do red and black 12 gauge wire as far as the speaker wire. Once again, like I said, I'm not really concerned about that as far as that being part of the theme in the car or whatever. But when it comes to these big deals, as far as behind here, let's see if I can move these. That right there is a 2.0 PRV wire. That's going to be covered in the Tech Flex. The red, white, and blue here. I got that 3.0 welding cable. That as well will be covered in that Tech Flex, man. So yeah, I got some work to do, man. So I got to start laying things out. Pretty decent day out there today, so I'll try to run wire as far as the lengths. Highly doubt I'll get anything installed today, but the prep work is just as important as the install, man. So once I get everything laid out, it'll just be pretty much going downhill from there, man. But as y'all see in front of you, there's a lot more to unbox. Got some stuff coming. Just stay tuned, man. Eventually we will make that transition. You know, it's coming up when I start talking to, hey, man, you know, we kind of got stuff laid out. We're kind of looking at making that transition from doing unboxing videos to demo or installation. We'll go from there, man. So stay tuned. There's going to be a whole heck of a lot more updates. And yes, I know I keep prolonging it, man. Y'all just stick with me. The giveaway is coming. Matter of fact, where's that stuff at? It's way over that way. So I'm not going to grab it right now. If I don't come back tonight, I might do that. Just depends on how things work out with the family and stuff like that. It is Sunday, so I got to figure out what's going on tonight. But maybe I can come back tonight after I get everything squared away here, get this stuff cleaned up and whatnot. Hopefully I can come back tonight, upload another video as far as the giveaway terms, and then when I want to end it and how I want to make sure, I don't know, add subscribers, maybe comments, likes, or stuff like that, man. We'll figure it out, man. Y'all know sooner or later I will come with it. But yes, as far as the giveaway itself, you got the DS18 X43 speakers. You got that Get Jack shirt that I just got from WireCare. Let's see, you got the Down for Sound lanyard, the PRV wristband, some Sky High car audio heat shrink, and some DS18 stickers. And that Street Beats, I don't know, like drink holder, warmer, whatever the hell, whichever way you want to look at it, man. So yes, that will be coming up, man. Give me a minute. Like I said, if I can get everything squared away as far as all of this stuff here, get the family squared away, hopefully I can come back tonight and get all that going, man. So y'all know the deal, man. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up. I try to get back to everybody, and y'all know what it is. You see it on the table. 2021. If your mirrors ain't shaking, damn you got taken. And I will stick around. But I'm 95,000. I'm out of here.